I want to find the sum of this conversion series. So if I look at this, this is definitely a geometric series. So my A is 1, my R is -1/5. So I can use my sum is A over 1 minus R, which is A over 1 minus R, which is 1 over 1 plus 1/5, which equals 1 over 6/5, which equals 5/6. So that's my sum. This one we're going to use partial fractions. So we have 1 over n times n plus 2. We have to use partial fractions. So we're going to have a over n plus b over n plus 2. So when I have my common denominator, remember it's n over n plus 2, I have a times n plus 2 plus b times n all over that n times n plus 2. Because I'm going to multiply this by n plus 2 over n plus 2 and this by n over n. So if I expand that, I know I don't have to worry about the denominators. I'm going to look at the numerator. So I know 1 equals an plus 2a plus bn. So I also have my n times my a plus b and my 2a. So this is the n. There's no n term over here. That means that a plus b must equal 0. So a equals negative b. And here my constant term is 2a is 1, so a is 1/2, which then it tells me that b is negative 1/2. So now I have my sum of 1 over n times n plus 2, and that's going to equal the sum of 1 over 2n minus 1 over 2 times n plus 2 as I put my a and b in. Okay. So if I look at that, if I just write it out, that's like 1/2 minus 1/6 for the first term. Now when n is 2, I have 1/4 minus 2 plus 2 is 4, so it's 1/8. Plus I have 1/6 minus, because it's 2 times 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, 1/10. Plus, when I have n is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, so I have 1/8 minus 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12 minus 1/12. And then I can keep on going. The next one's 1/10, 2 times 5, and minus 1 over 5 plus 2 is 7, times 2 is 14. I keep on going, and look what happens. These cancel out. These cancel out. These cancel out. So all I have left is 1/2 plus 1/4, which equals 3/4. The last thing I want to do is I want to determine the convergence and divergence of this series. So I'm going to look at my nth term is 4n plus 1 over 3n minus 1. So the limit as n goes to infinity of 4n plus 1 over 3n minus 1 is 4/3. It does not equal 0, so it diverges.